What's this?
Duck.
This is a rabbit. It's a mouse.
This.
Bert and Ernie. This is Bambi. Right here, Bambi. I think that's Raggedy Ann. You'll learn about them. You may have already read about Bambi, I don't know.
Duck.
That's Big Bird.
This.
What is that?
This.
What is it?
Daddy.
Oh, it's Daddy? No, that's an elephant. That's Daddy coming through the door, yes.
No. Daddy.
Yeah, that was Daddy. We haven't combed your hair today, have we? No. Grandma's been derelict in her duties. What do you hear? Do you hear the bells ringing on the door when Daddy went out to get the mail? Is that what you hear? We should find the tape, shouldn't we? And tape that. You have a little nub on your ear. Right there, a little cut spot. Mm-hmm. You have unique ears. Grandma's looking around to see if she can find a rag or Kleenex. These are shoes. Mm-hmm. This is Grandma's drink. Spicy water. Spicy water. You want a drink? Yeah. Let's clean the snot off the bottom of your lip, or the top of your lip, and then you can have a drink. A drink? What do you think of that? Is that good?
Trash.
Yeah, that's trash.
This is this.
You're in your trash.
This.
What are these? What's this? What's this called?
This.
Is this a shoe? It has laces, doesn't it?
The duck. The baby.
Yeah, let's put that trash over there with that piece of trash. Is this your baby?
The boo.
A book?
The baby. The boo.
Your baby's asleep up there. Well, not your baby. It's your mommy's and daddy's and your baby.
Daddy.
Your baby sister. That's what
Daddy. Baby.
Do you know that Mira is your baby sister?
Baby.
And nobody else's. Yeah. She's your baby sister. Do we need to look at the book again? It says, hello everybody.